Hey, do you know the incredible benefits of oil pulling? Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing oil, usually coconut, sesame or sunflower oil, olive oil in your mouth to promote oral and overall health. Here are the key benefits. Improves oral health by reducing harmful bacteria, preventing cavities and strengthening your gums. Freshens breath by removing toxins and bacteria that cause bad breath. Whitens teeth also helps remove stains and gives a brighter smile. Detoxifies the body by pulling out toxins from your mouth, which may reduce the body's overall toxin load. May ease gum swelling and reduce oral inflammation. How it works. The oil traps and binds bacteria and toxins in the mouth. Swishing for 10 to 20 minutes allows the oil to penetrate hard-to-reach areas. When you spit it out, you remove the bacteria and toxins, improving both oral and systemic health. How to do oil pulling. Use coconut, sesame, or sunflower oil, olive oil. Organic oils are ideal. Put 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil in your mouth. Swish it around your mouth gently for 10 to 20 minutes, then move it between your teeth, ensuring it covers all areas. Do not swallow the oil because it contains bacteria and toxins. Spit the oil into a trash bin, not the sink, to avoid clogging. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water or salt water. Best time to do it. Perform oil pulling in the morning on an empty stomach after brushing your teeth for maximum benefits. Repeat daily or a few times a week for best results. Tips and warnings. Tips for beginners is start with a smaller amount of oil or swishing for shorter periods. Cautions: do not swallow the oil as it contains toxins. Most important is be consistent with the practice. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more healing videos.